Hello, Panthers. I wanted to go over a small little project we'll be working on this week called cell reproduction, mitosis, and meiosis. What you had pushed you on Google Classroom is a template for this slideshow. Just want to take some time and go through that so you're aware of what each slide is for and how you can put this together. This project is going to be allowing you to demonstrate your understanding of mitosis, which is cell division for normal cells, and also your understanding for meiosis, which is cell division for reproductive cells. So going over this project, if you have any questions, you can refer back to this whenever you need. The first section is on mitosis, and you're going to be creating a collage, which is a group of pictures to explain the process of meiosis. You should try to leave the word in the center. It should include at least 9 photos, and you do not need to include captions. So this one is creating a collage. You're going to need to find a video on mitosis. You're going to insert that video right here. The video should be less than 10 minutes in length, and make sure it's from a quality source. It's not from like a student from a different school. Make sure it's a good source. Maybe it's an actual science accredited association, maybe a university, maybe a high school, things like that would probably work. And then off to the right, you're going to describe this video. You're going to be summarizing it in 15 words, explaining how you know the source is quality, and telling us 3 to 5 things that someone can learn from this video. The next part of this is going to be creating drawings to explain the different phases of mitosis. The first part of this would be interphase. You're going to be you can get rid of this. What do you have to do? You can either use the Google Slides. Up here, there's all these different tools and shapes. You can use colors. And then off to the right, you're going to use some sentences to explain what's happening during this phase. You could also use Google Draw and then insert that when you're done using insert and then image. And then you might have that saved on your drive. So either draw it using the shapes and colors, or you can use Google Draw and then insert those when you're done. You're also going to be doing mitosis during the prophase, mitosis anaphase, mitosis metaphase, and mitosis telophase. And then finally, cytokinesis. So a little drawing and a description for each of those phases. Then what you're going to want to do is write 5 statements that everyone should know about mitosis, just the 5 most important things about mitosis. And then those are going to become a paragraph. You're going to be using your skills that you learned in literacy, including a topic sentence, making sure you have at least 5 total sentences, using transition words, and ending with a conclusion sentence. And we've talked to your literacy teachers, and they want to remind you, don't be lazy, okay? You have the information for the middle sentences. You'll just need to write a topic sentence and also write a conclusion sentence and add some transition words. Being able to put your thoughts into a paragraph is a very important skill, not only for 7th grade, but moving forward. The second part of this is meiosis. Same thing, you'll be creating a collage. I want to point out to the bottom, we have some descriptions that might help you out because you're probably going to need to delete some things here, but there's some descriptions at the bottom. Same thing, you'll be finding a meiosis video. You'll be outlining the different phases of meiosis. There are a lot more phases of meiosis because there's a whole section 1, and then there's a section 2. So you're going to have all the different phases twice. Finally, what everyone should know about meiosis, and writing a meiosis paragraph. To show that you understand the difference between mitosis and meiosis, you're going to be creating a Venn diagram, and then the Venn diagram should have at least 3 statements in each section. So there are 25 slides. I know it seems like a lot, but many of them are just drawing, and you needed space to do that. If you have any questions, of course, Panthers, you could talk to your teacher. Keep in mind that there are helpful statements on the bottom here. Do not worry about making it look pretty or colors or your font until you are done. When you're all done, then you could create backgrounds or change your fonts or things like that. But the main thing is to get your information on here first, and then you can make it look pretty or unique when you're done. So, of course, Panthers, if you have any questions, please let your teacher know, and make sure you have a great day.